In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in the Wix editor. Duplicating a page is a really handy way to save time when you want to reuse a layout or design you've already created without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own Wix account. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your site's dashboard. Take a look at the left-hand side of the screen and make sure you're in the Setup tab. This is where you can manage different parts of your site. Now, move your eyes to the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see a button that says Edit Site. Click on that. Wix will open a new page or a new browser tab, which will load the Wix editor for your site. Give it a moment to fully load so all your tools and design elements are available. Now that you're inside the Wix editor, we're going to find the page you want to duplicate. Look over to the left-hand toolbar in the editor. Find and click the icon labeled Pages in Menu. This opens a panel that shows your site menu, listing all the pages currently on your website. In the Site Menu tab, scroll if you need to, and locate the specific page you'd like to duplicate. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that page name. On the right side of that page item, you'll see a small More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Duplicate. Click Duplicate and Wix will immediately create a copy of that page. You'll see a new page appear right under the original one in the list. By default, Wix will usually name it something like Copy Of, followed by the original page name. To keep your site organized, it's a good idea to rename this new page. Simply click on the page name, type in the new name you want, and confirm it. Choose something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to duplicate pages often. Once that's done, your new page is ready to edit just like any other page. You've successfully duplicated a page in the Wix editor, and that's all there is to it.